Alright, this has the potential for a major mess. But what I'm doing is I'm putting the pump onto this 5-gallon lid right here. The pump you saw me get on my birthday. And I'm just destroying the lid right here. And I think I have to get this metal ring off of here. And then I think after that I can thread the pump onto the hole. Because it's made for 5-gallon pails, I'm sure. We'll see. You guys getting any of this? Yes, we are. I'm excited about this because pouring oil out of a 5-gallon pail is not my idea of fun. And if I can set up a pump, oh my gosh. Okay, so I've gone all the way around. Is it coming off? Little piece of wood. Come on, baby. Ouch. No damage. Remember, it's just a pail lid. I'd like to leave that plastic seal, but it's not coming. Boy, nothing's easy. There we go. Hey, hey. Make sure there's no crud. Now, is this going to fit down through there? It should screw in with my little brain says it should screw in. I don't know if the threads are that good. Oh, so close. I want it to screw in. I'm definitely going to need a shower after this is done. It is like within millimeters. And once I get this set up, I just move the lid from pail to pail. So obviously I'm using this for oil. Not quite. Whew. You dirty dog, yeah. There we go. I just need something to make it, oh, so smaller, bigger, smaller. Or let's just try something else. Hang on. We're not dealing with metal here, right? I think I can probably have it stronger this way. I want it to face out. Do I want it to face out of the edge? Yes. There we go. Perfect. Now it's going to start rubbing up against here, but I don't have to go all the way with it, because we have, oh, I like that. We have a little bit of an angle to play with too, right? Yes! I call that a win. And it goes to the edge of the pail, if you can see the angle there. Did you guys get any of that? I sure hope you did. And then I think this is the threaded in do-hummer that goes into here, and there's threads inside that hole. And this goes in like that. I don't know how much depth we're going to need. Ooh, we're going to need less than this. So we don't need the inside one, although the inside one has the angled cut. Use with barrel, pump, or the hoses. So do you think I should use the hoses or the straight rod? That goes, look at this, see the problem now is that we want it to slide, right? And it's going past the level of the pump. So now we have to trim this a little bit. This was a complete diversion of what I was going to do today, but that's all right. Okay, sorry about this. We're going to do that, and then we're going to turn you off for a minute. All right, I'm going to put the lock on there if it fits. Right? And then this screws into here like that, and it should have a little bit of give to the bottom of the barrel. Are you with me? Good, that's as tight as I can get her. Now I want to just have a quick look, put you up on the magic chair. Thanks, Road King. Never steal a saying. Although his is a magic hammer. Now that should be very close to the ground, eh? Maybe you guys can see that. We'll back you up. We're just about out of battery. So it's not flexing at all. So I have to shorten this. Okay. All right, now I'm just heating up the end of this tubing to go on the pump. It's getting softer. Yes. Quite a rig we're building here. There, that should work. Now that goes on cool for a few seconds. All right, let's do this. When I push this down, it should push to the level of the floor of the pail, right? Here's, it's extendable, but hopefully we have enough slack to snap this down. Tighten up the pump a little bit more. There we go. Okay, there's, I can feel the pipe, right? Oh, I hope it's not too long. It is a bit. Pipe's a bit too long. Darn it. Now I got a mess. That's okay. I wonder which... Oh, it's the big one. Okay, well, we can deal with that. Maybe. So when I shorten that off an inch, I'll bring it back. All right, I shortened it 1.5 inches, and then we still have the extender, right? And we'll put it 100 degrees away from the handle, or 90 degrees away from the handle, or 180 degrees away from the handle. Okay, let's go. Should fit like a glove now. Good. All right. Now, just for fun, I don't have a full thing of oil here. See if we can pump some oil. Come on. We need to pump. Here we go. All right. Oh, it really goes. Holy moly. I got to get a tray. There we go. Oh, it doesn't pump as fast as I thought. It's absolutely perfect. So are you guys seeing this? How ultimately cool this is? No mess, no fuss, no muss. Look at that, self-cleaning tube too. I love it. That's about 500 mils. All right, well, that was a complete success. Now, how am I going to store the end of that? Just like that? Is that going to work? It doesn't kink it. Perfect. Now I just got to clean everything up. So obviously it took a little bit of experimenting, right? There, and there. But it's done. Thank you very much. You know who you are. All right, one last look. I put a little hose clamp on there and just a 1/2 inch bolt in there so there's no dust getting into the oil. Hey! Now, the only other test is to see if it... which I never checked to start with. This is to see if it fits underneath where it was before. And I'll do that without you guys looking. We don't want any cussing. Okay, it's dark over here, but look at that. Now I can turn it around and push it in and then pull it out with the handle. Right? Right there. Perfect! And I just move the lid from the next barrel to the next barrel, right? Well, I guess I should say pail, not barrel. A barrel would be big. So, thanks, Ken. And I think I emailed you pictures to where I hung all the little LEDs and everything, kind of around my extension cords so they're out of the way, but when they're there, they're there. So now I can get back to work. All right. Thanks again. You made my day. I love that. I just absolutely love that pump because there's nothing harder for a person who isn't young to haul out a 5-gallon pail of oil and diddle and fiddle and then spill and then wipe and the whole thing. So now I can just put it into my 5-liter jug or my 4-liter jug, depending on the one you buy, right? And use that one as I go and then fill it up again. So thanks a lot, pal. I really appreciate it.